Introduce highlight features and quick overview of LHBMET Cordless Pressure Washer. The features we would like to recommend are as follows. High Performance All-Copper Motor. This portable pressure washer adopts high-performance brushless motor, each motor after thousands of hours of operation test, driven by the motor 14 plunger pump. And then through the supercharged storage and then pressurization, the maximum can be up to 980 psi, 2.4 GPM, compared with the traditional motor. Electric pressure washer has stronger power, stronger load capacity, higher cleaning efficiency and longer service life. Multifunctionality. Car pressure washer adopts 6-in-1 nozzles, respectively, 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, shower mode, which can be freely adjusted according to the use of demand, and can easily remove the stubborn dirt on various surfaces. Pressure washers are very versatile and can be used to clean cars, floors, driveways, patios, gardens, and more. This small pressure washer is easy to use. Equipped with an LCD display, you can clearly know the electric pressure washer gear and battery level. Cordless convenience. Cordless pressure washers, powered by batteries, offer the advantage of being portable and easy to use without the need for an external power source or tangled cords. Water pressure adjustable in 30 gears, with a water pressure range of 33 to 49 feet. Power washers electric powered can significantly reduce the time and effort required for cleaning tasks. It takes approximately 3.5 hours to charge the battery from 0% to 100%. Easy to use and long-lasting. This cordless power washer comes with a 32.8 feet high-pressure water hose and filter that can be used anywhere there is a water source. Also equipped with a removable battery, the battery pressure washers has a total capacity of 22,500 mAh, lasts for more than 1.5 hours. You can give it as a gift to your elders or friends in your family, and they will be very happy to receive this cordless pressure washer battery powered. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.